The Tenba Solstice V2 backpacks are the perfect minimalist bag when you've got a ton of gear. Access is incredibly easy, it's seriously comfortable and extremely lightweight. With a little tweak, it might just be your favorite new everyday carry bag, and who doesn't love an EDC bag? These bags come in both black and gray and are feature-packed inside and out. Starting with the exterior, put your DJI Ronin or tripod in the reinforced pocket. And your water bottle is right at home in the stretchy mesh pocket on the other side of the bag. Safely tie down that gear with the included lash straps, which can even be removed and attached to the bottom of the pack for a jacket or stuff sack. The freshly designed compression molded EVA pivot fit harness has a strap for a microphone or two-way radio. Tenba's card wallets and battery pouches can be attached to the MOLLE webbing on the side of the pack. The luggage trolley strap helps you take the load off your shoulders when you're rolling around an airport. The water repellent ripstop nylon will keep your gear clean and safe for years to come. But when seriously wet weather hits, we've included a rain cover that's black on one side and silver on the other to reflect the sun on hot days. Next, let's see how you get to the inside. From the top, you can pull out a surprisingly long lens camera kit from this bag's elongated center channel. The thoughtfully designed top access is super easy to open with double YKK zippers and a pull handle. You can fold the Velcro underneath to open silently or fold the whole flap to the side to get it out of the way. To get to the ton of other gear these packs fit, you've also got a secure rear access panel. When you've got the pack on, you can quickly swing it around and grab gear without ever putting the pack down. It's like a personal floating workbench. We've stitched the flap across the middle so you can open it halfway to get a little bit more speedy. When traveling, rear access keeps the main opening pressed up against your back and away from prying hands. When you do put the pack down, the harness straps and waist belt won't touch the ground. You won't transfer mud or that nasty gunk from the city streets onto your clothing. Remember that long lens we talked about? The dividers create an extra long center channel. The 20-liter will fit a camera lens combo as long as 16.5 inches or 42 centimeters, such as a Sony 200-600, Canon 200-800, or Nikon 180-600 attached to a camera. And the 24-liter will fit a combo as long as 18.5 inches or 47 centimeters, such as a Canon 200-400 attached to a camera. The 20-liter will fit a mirrorless or DSLR camera with 5 to 8 lenses, plus a laptop up to 14 inches. The 24-liter will fit a mirrorless or DSLR camera with 6 to 9 lenses, plus a laptop up to 16 inches. It's even deep enough for a Nikon Z9 or other gripped cameras. There's a small accessory pocket in the rear flap that's perfect for cables and card wallets. The front accessory pocket fits your laptop and all the extra stuff. We also included a hidden AirTag or Tile Bluetooth tracker pocket so you'll always have eyes on that precious cargo. And what about everyday carry? Just pull out the dividers, toss in some of our BYOB inserts or Tenba tools, and whatever else you need to get through the day. We've never made a bag that fits this much gear that costs and weighs this little.